Mastering Productivity, the ultimate study plan for unstoppable motivation. Hello, studying machine, and a super warm welcome to Mastering Productivity, the ultimate study plan for unstoppable motivation. Are you done with putting things off and just not feeling the study vibe? Guess what? We've got just the thing for you, a study plan that's going to keep you pumped and smashing those goals. First up, let's talk goals. Before diving into your study plan, figure out what you're aiming for. Having clear, achievable goals is like having a secret weapon for staying on track and keeping that study fire burning. Now let's chop up your time. Planning is key. Slice your study time into smaller, easy-to-handle pieces and spread them out over different subjects. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed and your study plan will feel like a breeze. Time to spice things up. Doing the same thing over and over? Yawn. Switch between subjects, try new study techniques, and even change where you study. Keeping things fresh means your brain stays interested and your study time is way more fun and effective. Make your plan pop. Get creative and design a colourful, eye-catching study schedule. Put it up where you study. It's not just pretty, it's a constant visual nudge about what you need to do. Find your study buddy. Team up with someone who's got similar goals, share your plans, check in with each other, and keep each other on track. It's like having your own cheerleader, and who doesn't want that? Celebrate the small stuff. Finished a tough study session? Reward yourself. Treat yourself to something you love. This kind of positive vibe keeps your motivation sky high and makes studying something you look forward to. And don't forget, you matter. Take breaks, move around, eat yummy, healthy stuff, and get plenty of sleep. Keeping yourself in top shape is super important for staying focused and motivated. Thanks a ton for hanging out with us today. We're stoked to share these tips and hope they help you craft a study plan that gets you excited and ready to conquer. If you loved this, smash that thumbs up and hit subscribe for more awesome productivity hacks. Until next time, folks.